Hi guys, today we are making a snowy owl torn paper picture. So we start with a blue piece of paper, and then I did some pre-ripping. So just some beige or white because it's a snowy owl. Okay, so we're gonna do a branch on here. I have scissors, a glue stick, a pencil if you wanna draw out where you're gonna put your owl and branch, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I made an unintentional pun and it cracks me up. All right, so we are doing the branch first. So don't be afraid to tear it. It can be any way you like it because, again, I work with it being it's your art. You can do what you want with it. All right. So I have my branch. It's good enough. And then I will put it on my paper. Ta-da! I know, so exciting, right? Okay, so then we start gluing little pieces on there. That is one of the horns on the owl on top of its head. I do things kind of out of order occasionally. This is gonna be so cute. Hopefully. Okay, there we go. Kind of getting there. It's kind of abstract, meaning there's like, it might look like an owl, it might not, but that's okay. It's all up to interpretation. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm easily amused, so that's why I laugh a lot. Something I have not been doing, but should be doing because I did it in my preschool art class at Victory, is we should sign our artwork when it is done. It's important. That way it's finished. So you just layer the paper on there. I use glue sticks because they dry so much better. Or faster, better too, because then it doesn't crinkle the paper. I don't like when glue crinkles things because it just looks sloppy to me. But that's my hang up. You guys could like it if you want. It might be abstract because it might not end up looking like an owl. But again, that's okay. We're experimenting. That's what art is all about. Experimenting and trying new things. Sorry I talk a lot, that's just how I roll. Okay. It's kind of a mess, but that's okay. Like I said, it's all up to interpretation as to how you want your art to be. Basic shape, I gotta get that little blue triangle out of there. That was too messy. And then, okay, that is good enough for the body. So then I used the scissors because, well, it's kind of hard to rip circles. So I use my glue stick. And I make the eyes. I will show you guys in a minute. Eyes. And then we are going to add black to that. I have a sleepy looking owl now. Okay, and then last but not least, the beak. So I just cut a triangle piece of paper. I've just been using construction paper. If you have construction paper at home, that's cool. If you don't and you have printer paper, you can always color the paper. That way you have different color choices. So there we go. Now we have a snowy owl. I hope you guys like it. I had fun making it. I think it turned out pretty cute. All right, well, thank you for watching. Oh, remember, sign. Sign your name. That way your art is complete. See mine? Right there. All right, thank you for watching and have a great day.